Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna dive right into it. I couldn't get his reaction to what he wanted, so he wanted a high temp. Want to keep his sideburns and just curl the top of the hair. So of course, you know me. I start by prepping the head, picking it out, combing it out, brushing it out, whatever you gotta do to ensure that you get the smooth transition, the smooth cut, smooth blend. Yeah, I'm taking my low pros and I'm just creating a guideline from the top. The top is the very bottom of his vertical bar, and then I'm dropping it to the cuff of his ear. I'm going on my stylecraft instincts. Going level all the way open, just going up a finger's width. And you know, just staying consistent. The key to everything is consistency. When you stay consistent, you know you just get a great outcome. So you always want to stay consistent as much as possible, no matter what it is. Yeah, I'm taking my 0.5, which is the lowest guard. Is a 1/16, 0.5, whichever one you want to call it, but they both are 1/16, and I'm just going up a finger's width. You know, brushing one, fading one, brushing one, fading one. The only way you see results is if you stay consistent. Success ain't always, it's not always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. And then behind that, greatness will come. So you just gotta stay consistent. As you can see, I'm just staying consistent. Flicking out as I get higher and higher, just staying consistent. Yep. And that's coming together clean. As you see, I'm flicking out as I get higher and higher, just flicking out. Smart, just staying disciplined. As you can see, I'm just staying disciplined. Not taking too much of the bulk. Leaving room for my next guard to do his magic. Just staying disciplined. Because small disciplines repeated with the consistency every day lead to great achievements. You know, it's great achievement gained slowly over time. So you just got to stay disciplined, keep the consistency going. And you know, I preach a lot about consistency. So, you know, the more you be consistent, you know, everything will pile up for you. Yeah, I'm going level all the way close and, you know, just creating transition, like I said, just flowing through, staying consistent. Yeah. I appreciate everybody who tuned in, liked, and you know, just to my new subscribers who've been here from my last video. My last video did, you know, spectacular numbers for the channel, and it always means a lot when my views and my comments and my likes and everything outweigh the subscribers that I have. So I have 1.1k subscribers. It's always a blessing when my views touch at least triple times that, or, you know, quadruple times that. So I appreciate everybody who's been here for the journey, and, you know, all the new people that's, you know, came across my channel. Yep, I want to shout out the Sushi Boy for making this beat fire. His information will be in the description, you know, so y'all can purchase beats, or, you know, just get a taste of his dose. Here we go. Like I said, that came together clean. To get the results you want, you don't have to be extreme, just be consistent. Yeah, I'm taking my low pros, creating a guideline in the back of his neck area. These are not my headers, so they will not cut them at all. You know, I'm able to turn my trimmers around to the blade side instead of scooping up to create a guideline. I can shave down to create my guideline. It's cleaning his neck up. Yeah, and this what keeps me going. You know, I wanted to try my barberless clippers on the back to show y'all the difference. You know, and this is what I came from. I didn't come from stylecraft. I came from the barberless. You know, the barberless sets. Barberless to me is a fine everything. You know, I love the fact that I can switch through my clippers and know my tools. That's coming together clean, you know. Know your tools before you move on to the next. Just know your tools. You know, my Instagram, you know, within my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube for sure, everything, you know, if you can't stay motivated, stay consistent. Consistency will bring back your motivation. You know, the consistency of clients walking in, making you feel like you're the best barber and things in that nature. You know, success is neither magical nor mysterious. You know, success is the natural consequence of consistently applying basic fundamentals. And what I mean by basic fundamentals is if you learn the basics of whatever you're doing, let's say that we're cutting hair and you know the basics, the consistency of you being consistent, everything will flow together how you want it to flow. You know, I just, at the end of the day, I could have did a voiceover to describe the level of, you know, just ins and outs of this video and what I did to cut this hair, but y'all been here a while and I just wanted to rap to y'all about consistency, because one of my clients came in the other day and he was rapping to me about consistency. Consistency is everything. I want everybody to stay consistent when you're in the barber game. Like, I'm going on almost 3 years of cutting hair, and I've been consistent. So the consistency got me where I needed to be today. You know, I'm cutting celebrities, I'm cutting important people and other people's lives. I'm cutting, you know, just people that I would have never imagined. You know, hard work, dedication, stand up all night. I studied my craft. You know, like I say, Beam is one day I'll get a cut from Beam. Like, if it's anybody who I let cut my hair, it will be Beam. You know, I shout outs to Beam always. But then my first year of cutting, I was not watching Beam, and then my second year of cutting, I just started watching Beam, and you know, everything is really flowing through with me with everything. So like I said, it's on the scale of Lamar Jackson studying Michael Vick, as far as him, you know, his rushing ability as a quarterback. That's like, you know, just Randy Moss studying Terrell Owens, and you know, just things in that nature. You want to study, you want to take no time off, no matter how good you are, because it's still things that we need to learn. You know, and this plan is coming together clean. You know I'm talking y'all head off, but before this video end, I want y'all to know that I preach consistency in any of my videos. You know, I might don't preach it as much, so I wanted to dedicate this video to consistency. You know, I turned a bad head into a great head. You know, people like consistency. You know, whether it's a store, a restaurant, they want to come in and see what you famous for. And if you famous for being the nicest barber at that shop, or you know, just being nice period at what you do, that's what they like. Like I said, small disciplines repeated with, you know, consistency every day lead to great achievement gained slowly over time, and that's a fact. That's a fact. Small consistent steps are basically the secret weapon, you know, of those who achieve extraordinary things. So just stay consistent, you know, just pop out, you know. People makes you happy in a way, but stay consistent no matter what you do. This temp is coming together pretty clean. I don't know if y'all call it temp taper, temple taper, temp fade, wherever you're from. It's coming together clean, you know. And this everything that I did, like within these 2 years, was key to my success, and the key to my success was consistency. And right now, the only way for you to actually take action is to believe in yourself, and I've believed in myself. You know, there have been times where I wanted to cut my family members' hair and stuff like that, but you know, they wouldn't allow me because I didn't believe in myself to even take the step to cut outside of them. But once I did believe in myself, you know, I started getting successful. I started being more successful. The way to go. This cut coming together pretty clean. He had a lot of bulk in his head for him to want a high taper, and you know, as far as his hair texture and things in that nature. I try to give them the best attribute as possible. I'm going in with my holding spray, brushing the hair follicles down, trying to ensure that I'm stretching and pulling the hair to one desired angle, so when we go to line them up, it'll be crispy. Yeah, I'm hitting the back neck area with my FX1s. I would recommend these FX1s because they're quiet, you know, they're lightweight. I just love everything about the FX1s. Yup, hitting them around the neck area. Notice how I use the first couple teeth inside of the blade. This is a graphite blade, one of the sharpest blades on the market. So if you don't have a light hand, please do not buy this blade. Please do not buy this blade and zero gap this blade if you do not have a light hand. And what I mean by zero gap is I push all my blades to the highest point without it overlapping the bottom blade. You never want to do that because you will cut somebody. And considering that this is a fine tooth blade, almost under the standard blade, you do not want to cut anybody's head because that will stop a client from coming back. Yeah, I'm just hitting and going. As you can see, I'm very light-handed. I'm light-handed. As you can see, my client is not, you know, he just don't have no sensation to, you know, it feel like I'm hurting his head or cutting him. You can see these things are hitters. They're shredding like they flowing like butter. You know, they clean. Yeah, I'm going on the opposite side. You know, I apologize for slanting my video in a way, but you know, I had to get it how I get it. I'm going in my waterproof enhancements. Thank y'all for people who've purchased them, and you know, people who's hitting me up and having questions about them before purchasing. And I'm using my enhancements with the beam chain compressor. As you can see, these enhancements come out, they shoot just straight out. No clogginess, no darkness to them. You know, and this the black color. I could have used the black brown, but the black color, when you spray it lightly, you know, it don't show, it pops out, especially with the hair fibers. That came together clean. That came together clean. Yeah, I'm going there with my real hair fibers. These are real hair fibers. Like real. It give a better pop than Topic do. They tend to sit on the head properly. As you can see, I just sprayed it here, and it looked like real hair. That's what gives my clients the crispy lines. As you can see, the crispy lines, even without the pencil. Using the Barber Magic pencil to trace over the line, and then we're going to blend that in. It's like concealer, you know. It's just like concealer. That came together clean. I didn't curl her head or nothing yet. Like, that's clean. I'm just staying consistent. You know, consistency is basically like the foundation of, you know, virtual. Just stay consistent. If you persistent, you'll get it. But if you consistent, you'll keep it. That's why I offer more in value than my clients give me in dollars. So again, if you are persistent, you will get it. But if you consistent, you will keep it. Never forget that. Well, go ahead and tell the camera how you feel about it. In the best way.
Look good for real.
Look good?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yeah.
Here we go. Like I said, you want to take action, build momentum, and stay consistent. But then the rest of this 2024, I told y'all I'm taking over, building a name. Without further ado, let's lock in. We locked in. Drop them likes, comments, subscribe if you don't already. Turn that bell notification on. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on because I will be dropping 3 times a month. Let's get it. All kinds of hair, different hair textures, different cuts. Let's get it.